One of my clients recently made $50,000 off of one social media post, and I'm going to share with you what they did because you could totally do it too. Be sure that you're following this page for all things social media for your business and how to make money and grow your business using your social media account. First thing that he did is he focused and created the post on a platform that he already had a network on. So he really wanted to use video, but he was not comfortable using video. It wasn't something he'd been doing before. And so I encouraged him to use a different platform, one that he already had an audience on. The second thing that he did was he created a post using our 3S framework, which is show up, stand out, and scale. So what he did is he told a story, something that was relatable, something that even people who weren't interested in his business would read and engage with. This engagement helped it get in front of even more people. He also positioned himself as a thought leader in his industry and talked about what it is that his product did, how it benefited people, how it benefited himself. And he put a call to action on it and said, hey, if you're interested in this, I would love to be the person who tells you more about it. So from that one post, he got $50,000 in sales. Third thing that he did was he followed up with every single one of the people who engaged. So whether it was commenting on it, replying back, sending them a message, making sure that he had control of the situation, followed up, didn't give up, and he also trusted that this was going to work for him, and it did.